Welcome back to my channel. This is Maths Made Easy. In this channel, we'll talk about all things mathematics, and today we'll be looking at rationalization of sorts by conjugates. Rationalization of sorts by what? Conjugates. So we'll be looking at just one mighty example. But before we get to that, let's get clarified on this part. What is conjugate and what is their product like, so that when we get to this point, we won't be stranded. Alright, so let's dive in. 2 plus root 3. The conjugate is like getting the opposite of a particular number or a particular compound number. So 2 plus root 3, the conjugate is 2 minus root 3. Can you see it? It's so simple. While the conjugate for 2 minus root 3 is the same as 2 plus root 3. I know you're smiling at this point because it's so simple. Now, when you want to get the product of these two, what do? Please follow me carefully. You just say 2 times 2, 4, and root 3 times minus root 3 will give us what? Minus 3. And that will give us just 1. Can you see it? It's that simple. We also have 2 minus 2, 2 times 2, sorry, to give you 4. And minus root 3 times plus root 3 will give us minus 3 as well again, which is to give us 1. So that's about that. You can, in another way, I just try to finalize it. You can decide to just make it 2 square, and you might decide not to put the total because it's not really an example. So we're just trying to create a formula for ourselves and for anybody who would be interested in solving this. So another way you can do it is this. 2 times 2 means 2 square, and then root 3 times root 3, you just pick the 3 inside, just one of it. We've done something like that before. Just pick one of it, and then plus times minus gives us this minus over here. And then the same thing again, 2 times 2, 2 square, root 3 times root 3, just pick one root 3 and put it. And then minus times plus is minus as well. In a broader or a more broader sense, you can just say 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, this will give us 2 times 2, 4. Are we following? I just want to use one of it to show you that your answer is still 1 here. So 2 times root 3 will give us 2 root 3. Remember the sign. Root 3 times this will give us plus 2 root 3. And this times this will give us minus root 9. Are you following? You can see that this and this are the same. But this minus this gives us 0. So what we have left is just 4 minus root 9. What is root 9? Root 9 is 3. And what is 4 minus 3? 1. So you can see that the easy method was what I showed you, which is this times this and this times this. For a case like this, not in all cases. So please, this short method is for conjugate and sort, not in all cases. When I say in all cases, where you have plus and plus, and where you have different numbers, it will not work. This short method will not work. But a case whereby you have plus and minus in different brackets, that's one. And a case whereby you have the same number in the same bracket, this short method I showed you now for product will work well. So it's not applicable in all examples or all brackets. No, thank you. So this brings us back to our mighty question. Let's take a deep breath. So we are ready. Solution. We just rewrite the question. If you watch this very well, if you have been so conversant with mathematics, you know that this is difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. So what do we do in this case now? Applying the formula, the rule in difference of two squares, what you do, you say, you pick one of this family. Yes, this is a family. You pick one of them. You pick a sign. You can start with plus. And then you take another part of this family. Are you seeing what I've just done? This is 1. We do again. We take the remaining part. You know that it's raised to the power 2 here. So we have 2 of this here. We're taking 1. We're taking the next one. Do you see it? So nothing is here now. And then we use plus. We're going to use minus here. Then pick the last part of this one. Can you see what I've done? This is what we call difference of two squares. I picked one here, started with plus, you can start with minus. Started with plus, picked the other family, one of it, and then I opened another house. Yes, I picked the remaining part of this and used a different sign, no longer plus but minus. You can't use divide, you can't use times, it's either plus or minus. Thank you. So if you start with minus here, you're going to use plus here. So I picked the remaining part. That's just what I've done. I've not done anything big. So we continue. Now we say 2 plus 3 root 5. The following, and then plus to multiply everything in this bracket still gives us everything in the brackets. You see it? Then we'll come to this other family. 2 plus 3 root 5. Now minus times 2 will give us minus 2. Minus times minus will give us plus. We have 3 root 5. And you see that they are kind of shrinking. Yes, that's the aim. And you'll be so surprised how far they will shrink. Alright, so we can start to take like terms. Let's just take like terms. We're just going to prolong the mathematics, but let's just enjoy ourselves. So we have 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, we have 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5. We do the same here again. 2 minus 2 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Are you seeing it? The next one, the next thing we do, 2 plus 2 will give us 4. This will go. This minus this is 0. Because they are the same, and we have minus here. 2 minus 2 is 0, so 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5 is 0. So that's what we have in this bracket. Coming to this other bracket, 2 minus 2, 0. This also goes. What we have left is 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5. That is 3 plus 3 gives us 6 root 5. You won't ask me any question about this addition because a video has been made concerning this. So just check my channel and you see all those videos. I already made a video on addition and subtraction of sorts. So go there, watch it very well so that you understand what I did right here. Now, this is the very final part. And this will give us 4 times 6 is 24. So you have 24 root 5. That's all. That's simple and very easy. So, if you're still confused, take your time. Download the video or sit, watch the video over and over again and make sure you are cleared. Thank you so much. Make sure to hit the like button, something like this. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you find my video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I upload another very vital video.